So we're back on page 141. We're going to learn how to play number 2 on this page. We've already gone over the fingerings on a previous video. So if you haven't seen that, take a look at that first. Now, first things first, if we're looking at the first measure, we've already marked all the cautionary accidental sharps. So the right hand's going to start on this B here. And then I've got A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E. Like that. Okay? So this is in the key of B major. So B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E. I'm going to cross over to third finger on D sharp, C sharp, B. And then I'm going to cross over to A sharp on third finger again. A sharp, G sharp. This is just like the B major scale. Except that we're going to cross the third finger on this A sharp instead of typically fourth finger. Let's try that much together. This is just the first 2 bars of the right hand. Ready and slowly. B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp. Let's do that again. I'll say the finger numbers this time. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Do that several times. And now we're going to do it with the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get it until you can do it about this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how I'm emphasizing the beats. 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay, so they're properly grouped metrically speaking. Continuing with the right hand. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. That's just an F sharp major triad, which in the key of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5 chord, the dominant. So dominant, 2, 3. Then it goes to F sharp, B, and D sharp, which is the 1 chord in the 6/4 inversion, second inversion. And then it goes to, back to the 5 chord, F sharp, A sharp, E natural. It omits the 5th of the 7th chord. This is a dominant 7. And then it goes back to the 1 chord. So this is just 5, 1, 5, 7. 1 is the Roman numerals. Okay? Try that with me in rhythm. 4, ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. Okay. Now let's take a look at the left hand. In the beginning it starts with the chords. D sharp, F sharp, B, which is the 1 chord in first inversion, the 6/3 inversion. Then it goes down. D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, which is the minor 3 chord. Then it goes to D sharp, G sharp, B natural, which is the 6th chord, the minor 6th chord in second inversion. And then it goes to E, G sharp, B, which is the 4 chord. Okay? So let's practice those transitions. We're going to just start with practicing transition between the 1 chord and the minor 3 chord in the first bar. So D sharp, F sharp, B. Then you just move the thumb from B to A sharp. That's the only thing that changes. Like that. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the second bar, we're going to learn this as well. So D sharp, G sharp, B. On the next chord, the only note that changes is the bottom note. It goes from D sharp up to E. But we're going to also move our third finger to G sharp. Thumb stays on the B. So, okay, so one way you can practice this is just the top 2 notes. 2, then 3. And notice how I'm just shifting the fingers. 1, 2, third finger. 1, 2, 3. Once you're comfortable with that, you can add the bottom note. 1, 2, 3, then up to E. that. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to put those two bars together slowly. Ready and play. 1, 2, shift your thumb down to A sharp. Now top two notes, G sharp and B, and then shift up to the E major chord. Okay, you can go even slower. Slow down the video if you need. Do that one more time with me. Ready and try. 1, 2, thumb down to A sharp. Now G sharp and B, and 1. The bottom note goes to E, third finger goes to G sharp. That's the chord. That's going to take some work for a lot of you. So you want to do quite a bit of metronome work right now with that before moving on to the next portion of the video. Alright, so now we're going to do the final two bars, which is just a simple scale. We have the three block keys, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, thumb on B. We are in B major. And we're going to cross over with second finger to C sharp, come back down to B. Then we have A sharp, G sharp, back up to A sharp, and then to B. Okay? One way I like to practice is backwards. So let's learn the last measure first, which is just A sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. So try the last bar with me. Ready and go. 2, 3, 2, 1, and again. 2, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now we're going to do the previous bar. That's a third measure, starting with the F sharp. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1, crossover, 2, 1, 2. That far. Okay? Ready and play. 4, 3, 2, 1, crossover, 2, 1, 2. So you want to make sure to keep your thumb on that B. When you cross over, don't swing your thumb out. Keep it on the B. Once again, ready and again. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to put those two measures together. Ready and play. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And get it to where you can play it pretty fast, maybe around this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before attempting to put this hands together, you want to be very adept hands alone. I would say get to about this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only then will I suggest you attempting hands together on this. So achieve that first. I expect it will take at least one day of hands alone. I would not attempt hands together the same day on this one. Give yourself at least one solid practice session before going to the latter part of this video, which will encompass hands together. Okay? In fact, I think I'll make it a separate video.